Today, we'll learn how to create VLAN interfaces using the device file configuration method.
What exactly can we accomplish with this procedure?
By updating the L2 table sheet of the device file, we can create VLAN interfaces, also known as SVIs.
The diagram shows how L2 and L3 interfaces connect through L2 segments, providing the foundation for our configuration.
Let's start with step 1, generating the device port management table.
How do we get this table?
Simply export the device file by following the procedure outlined in section 2.4, exporting device files with commentary.
That sounds straightforward enough to begin with.
Now for step 2, updating the L2 table sheet to add our VLAN interface.
What's the process here?
Insert a new Excel row in the device file's L2 table sheet, then enter the SVI name in virtual port name and the L2 segment name in connected. L2 segment name.
I notice there are specific naming conventions and restrictions we need to follow, like no spaces in L2 segment names, and connecting to only one L2 segment per SVI.
Step 3 involves synchronizing our updates with the master data file.
How does the synchronization work?
Drag and drop the updated device file to the main panel, then drag the master file to the update section in the device panel.
I see that the system automatically backs up the original master file before updating, which is a great safety feature.
Finally, step 4 is confirming our L2 configuration diagram.
What should we look for in the confirmation?
Generate an L2 configuration diagram using the procedure in section 2.2 and verify that our changes are properly reflected.
The example shows how the interfaces and L2 segments are visually represented in the final diagram.
For reference, let's review the L2 table sheet structure.
What are the key fields we need to understand?
The sheet includes device names, physical and virtual port information, and L2 segment connections for comprehensive Layer 2 configuration.
This reference table will be helpful when setting up more complex network configurations in the future.